Hello traders, welcome to my channel Revenue Rover. This is going to be my first video on the channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about the trades which I take and what is the main thesis behind opening and closing the trades, what kind of strategies I use, what kind of indicators I use. All of this will be covered on this channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you two things: that I am mostly trading gold, which is on the screen you can see, right? And I am also trade time to time London indices, DAX, and you can say FTSE as well sometimes. And in the New York Stock Exchange I trade Nasdaq 100 and US 30 Dow Jones. In crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the few selected instruments I trade and look for, but 90% of the time I trade gold. I have mastered gold and I've spent a lot of time with gold chart by doing analysis, backtesting, making profits. So recently I have made this channel to educate some fellow traders. So I also made a Telegram channel so that I can quickly update the trades or my thoughts. It is very convenient and very easy to update on Telegram channel. That is why I have made this channel on Telegram as well. You can go ahead and subscribe to this Telegram channel by searching revenue_rover, or I will also put a link in the description below. You can talk to me one to one. Okay, so let's begin with I also have a trading channel called Day Trade 369, right? You can also join this channel. In this channel I have few members over here, and usually I made this to post my trades in the sessions. I am a day trader. I only trade in sessions, New York equity sessions, opening time, or London equity session. For example, this was a nice trade. This is an on 1 minute time frame, right? So you can see, let me just, so all of these candles are on 1 minute. This is where equity session opens and pushes by back up. So this is a buy trade. I bought here and posted this chart, and my TP is here. Definitely it closes in profit. This was the trade I took on June 5th 2025. This trade also made me some profits, but ultimately I was out with break even because it did not go to my target. So point is, I am making this video because I posted this channel, this chart, and in this chart I'm showing that market is going to go into a big sell-off. This is on 4-hour time frame chart. Over here you can see, right, 4-hour chart. And from here on I told, and market is currently below here, right, below 320, and it was around 3371. Let me show you on 4-hour time frame. This was the targets I have posted. So I'm going to discuss in detail what and how I take those trades, how I make those decisions. I posted that chart over here when market was around here above uh, sell price, right, over here, and now market is over here 3305 and is essentially completed. This is on 4-hour time frame, but I trade on lower time frame. As a day trader, I go on to 3 minute to 1 minute time frame, and let me show you how I go into trades by looking at the directional bias, by confirming those directional bias. So the trade I posted over here, I took a short trade on Thursday over here, right, and after this short trade I posted the chart. So this was 1:3 risk reward ratio trade, and after that on Friday market made this ascending channel, right, and this is in London session market did not provide me a sell setup, but instead it gave me a buy setup over here. After the equity session opening time, made a peak formation low and moved up into 1 2 3 pushes. So initially, once my bias is set, right, uh, for a short directional bias, I am not going to take any buy trades. You can scalp in these movements, right, but taking a buy trade in this strong sell-off market is literally foolish in my opinion. So you can see market given us a buy setup over here, pin bar engulfment, one push, second push, three pushes. After this line got breached, right, it touches it and again comes back down. In the gap time market consolidates, goes making lower lows, lower highs, like that. Once there was a non-farm payroll news on Friday around 6 p.m. You can see the candle on 5 minute time frame over here, this doji candle, right, and after the news, New York brink session is over here, and you can see how it presented us again, an opportunity for a short setup over here. So this is how I take trades. I make my directional bias on higher time frame like that, and goes on to the lower time frame 15 minute and 1 minute time frame to confirm my thesis in the sessions, right. In the sessions I trade London and New York. These boxes represent that this is London session, this is New York session, and this blue box over here is the Asian session. So I am mostly available on the London session and New York session. So I come to the lower time frame and confirm my theory to go short in this case, right. So before that, let's say I was this was an inside week, I was struggling to get any trades, and I guess I did not trade it that week. The whole week I did not get any significant trade, and over here in 12th May, from 12th May to 16th May, I got some trades over here. From this 19th May, my directional bias was for buys, and I was only actively looking for buys trade. Okay, I am not going to look for sell trades, right. I got few trades in there. So weekly my target is to get 2 to 3 trades, which is very high probability setups and provides me good result to 1:2 to 3 risk reward ratio. That is what my goal is. So ultimately on 4 according to 4 hour time frame, this chart which I posted on the Telegram channel, some of you, some of my old members over here from this channel texted me that they got it. Kudos to them. So my directional bias is for sell setup. This is how I trade trades. More information and my ways will come in my next videos, and I will try my best to be more educational and more informative as much as possible. Till then, I guess I'll say goodbye to all of you traders and good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.